Welcome to the expenses page. In this video, we'll walk through all the steps it takes to accurately add your annual expenses and how you would like to simulate them growing year over year. Let's get started. Now, if you added any fixed expenses such as mortgages or life insurance premiums, they'll display at the top of the page. If you don't have any fixed expenses, this will simply be blank. Now, aside from any fixed expenses you may or may not have, you then need to add your annual after-tax expenses. In other words, your desired annual after-tax income to live the lifestyle you want to live. Now, this value is only focusing on your expenses. Any investments and deposits into your accounts are treated completely separate, and that's where Optiml will come in and actually calculate how much and where you should be depositing into. So this annual expenses or desired after-tax income is strictly for living the lifestyle you want to live, and it is not including any deposits and investments into your accounts. In this example, let's say we need $90,000 to fund our after-tax living expenses. The next section is all about how you'd like to simulate your annual expenses growing year over year. Now, we offer two options in Optiml. You can either grow your annual living expenses by a consistent growth rate. By default, it'll be 2%. However, you can come in and manually adjust this if you wish. Now, looking at the table, if you've added any fixed expenses, any goals, we then take the living expenses value that you've input and we total that together. So looking at the table, this total column shows how much you need in after-tax income to fund the lifestyle you want to live. That covers your fixed expenses, any goals, and your living expenses. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see a graph showing your annual expenses and how they're growing year over year. Now that we've covered growing your expenses by a fixed growth rate each year of the analysis, let's look at the other alternative and grow your expenses using the go-go, slow-go, no-go strategy. This strategy allows you to create different phases throughout your life and simulate expenses growing, slowing down, and even tapering off towards the final years of the analysis. Now on screen, you'll see a detailed explanation explaining how the go-go, slow-go, no-go strategy works. But let's dive into how you can customize it to your unique situation. Using the sliding bar, you can simulate when you'd like to start and stop the different phases throughout the analysis. You can also manually update the spending profile on each of the phases if you'd like to increase or decrease your spending requirements. As you navigate down the page, you'll see the table along with the graph showing the different phases and your spending in each given year. Whether you're growing your expenses by a fixed growth rate or using the go-go, slow-go, no-go strategy, you also have the ability to manually customize and edit any given year's living expenses. Simply click on the year you'd like to manually update and input the value you'd like to simulate your expenses for that year. Once you've customized the way you want to simulate your living expenses throughout your analysis, click Next or Save to continue.